Look at the squad. We got the two R6s, one of mine and one over there, my friends. We got the ZX6. Let's go. Alright, I finally got the mic in my helmet working. Because last time the battery went down and I had to record in post, but it's all good now. Oh no, I got left behind. Where is he? How did he squeeze through? He's all the way up at the front. An insane amount of traffic. Is he gone? 1 second I saw you both, the other second there's only one of you. Like 2 seconds later I see him right at the front going like this way, horizontal.
Fuck, I'm gonna die, dude, inside this.
I know, it's fucking hot.
Track day, I'm wearing nothing.
Tank top next one. We used to wear like a race suit every day, like every time we went out to ride in the winter. But that is almost impossible now because of how hot it is. There he is. The shady guy. His bike is insanely loud. The mic does not do justice to the sound of his bike. Are you kidding me? And just like that, they're gone. And I'm left all alone. I'm not going to talk much in this ride, but I just want to talk to you guys about how hard it is to like record audio and like video for like rides like these. It's like whenever I get my camera out and my mic out to like, and I'm thinking like, yeah, today's a good day to like record some rides. It is so hard to like set up everything, you know, get everything in place right. Jesus, bike is so loud. Like sometimes the camera is not in the right setting, or it just dies. The battery just dies, or the mic is not working. And I have one mic for like the exhaust, and the other one for like, you know, in my helmet for my voice. One of them might not be working, or one of them is like or not on the right settings, and there's too much to do, and like there's at least half an hour of planning in this, and it's so stressful. So whenever I want to do like a chill ride, I usually don't take it out because I don't want to go through all that stress of planning and like setting up everything. And I guess it's helpful for like any of you guys in the future who want to like record your rides too. But yeah, it's not easy. Like as fun as it may seem, it's kind of stressful, like planning all of this. Like you just lose the fun of the ride halfway through because you're thinking about like, is it working properly or not? You get back home and half the footage is just like gone, or it's not how you want it to be. But yeah, I've started to record more now. I've got free time, and here we are. We are going for a race. We're going for the state championship race just to watch it. We're definitely not participating. We don't have the caliber yet. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. This is Super Sport 101 or Sport Bike 101. All of them have their hands on the tank because we're all tired. Our backs are hurting.